ya irathiro Babu Owino areketio ni igoti na mbondi ya muigana wa ciringi 100,000. Babu Owino Babu Owino arakoretwo aiketio ngono ni maabitha a borithi gwa thiku ya Wanguru mbere yake guthamiri guku Nairobi ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Nairobi area. Babu athitangirwo mahitia ma njama ya gututhura agithagathagwo mirurungano-ini ya Azimio.
He was a man fit enough, but today he's all dented, having been assaulted. He has bruises, all over his body. And all that happened in a police station, Kileleshwa police station, in a police cell. Your Honor, how did those people accept the cell?
The prosecution sought the following orders, namely that the application be heard on priority basis upon each of the respondents taking plea. Number 2, that the Honorable Court be pleased to find that the prosecution applicant has established compelling reasons to deny each of the respondents bail. Number 3, that pursuant to prayer 2 above, this Honorable Court be pleased to deny each of the respondents bail and to order their detention pending the completion of investigations, the basis of the instant charges. End of quote. I find that the notice of motion dated 20th of July 2023 is not merited for the reason that the prosecution has not established reason to warrant denial of bail or bond to any persons herein. What then remains for determination is the bail and bond terms, taking into consideration the nature of charge, presumption of innocence notwithstanding. I consider the following terms appropriate and reasonable. Each of the 7 accused persons is granted bond of Kenya shillings 200,000 with one surety of the same amount, with alternative cash bail of Kenya shillings 100,000 with one contact person. Orders accordingly, and that is the end of the